In this video, I'm going to show you how to check linked accounts in Grammarly quickly and easily. This is really useful if you want to see which third-party sign-in options are connected to your Grammarly account, especially if you use Google, Apple, or Facebook to log in. Checking this is a simple way to stay organized and make sure your account is connected the way you expect. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software guides. Let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to app.grammarly.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Grammarly account now. Once you're inside Grammarly, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see several options there, and the one you need to click is Account. This is where Grammarly keeps your profile and account-related settings. After clicking Account, look for Settings and select it. Inside Settings, you'll want to find Security Overview. This section is designed to help you review the security and connection details tied to your Grammarly account. Click on Security Overview to continue. Now scroll down until you find the Linked Account section. This is the part we're looking for. Here, Grammarly will show any connected third-party login options that are linked to your account. For example, you may see Google, Apple, or Facebook listed here if you've used one of those services to sign in. Take a moment to review the linked accounts carefully. This is helpful if you want to confirm which login methods are active, or if you're trying to understand how your account is being accessed. If everything looks correct, you're all set. If you notice anything unexpected, you may want to review your account security settings more closely. And that's it. You now know how to check linked accounts in Grammarly in just a few clicks. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference when it comes to managing your account and staying in control of your sign-in options. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.